Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you some interesting uses of the index function in Excel. Suppose we have a long list of items which keeps on increasing, number of items keeps on increasing, and my aim is to print the last item and last serial number in this yellow boxes. So here it should write the last item and here it should write the serial number of the last item. Now at this moment last item is paper, so it should write paper and it should write 5 here. But moment I write another item here, it should write that particular another item. Now if I use only equal sign and write like this, then you see it writes paper, but moment I write here any other thing, say I write pen, then it remains paper only, it doesn't become pen. So what I want is that whatever be the last item, it should print here. So for that, instead of writing this, we have to use the index function. So index, then I have to write this array and we select it quite big because our list may become very big eventually. And then we put a comma, then I write counter and then the same thing, age 9 colon age 200 and then bracket. So you see this one has come here. Now if I write any other thing, say box, it will become box here automatically. Similarly we can write the serial number also. So this one I can copy here, but if I copy it as it is, then of course we will not get the desired result. We want the serial number, so here instead of age I have to write this column is what? F. So instead of H, I'll write F here. Oh, sorry, F here, and this one is also F, and then I put enter. So you see the serial number 7 has come. Now you write anything here, say desk. So it become desk and serial number becomes 8 now. So the last item, so even if your list is very long, the last item will be printed here. Now my next aim is to print something in this green box, print a name of the item here, and it should print here in the item list as last item, and also serial number also has to be printed for that. So of course here serial number is already there, so for a moment let us delete this serial number. Okay, and so what I want is that whenever I print some type something here, it should get typed here and the corresponding serial number, for example 9, will come automatically here. And for that we have to make use of VBA code. So for VBA code, what we have to do, we have to first of all press from the keyboard Alt F11. So the keyboard, the key marked as Alt ALT and then F11 simultaneously like this, and then here you just right click and then insert module, and here we have to write sub, then PASTE, some name you have to give. So I gave it paste last, okay, and then 2 brackets. All right, then I write WB as workbook, and WS as worksheet, and then I write set WB equal to active workbook, and WS equal to WB dot active sheet. Next we have to write here worksheet function dot index, then WS dot range, then colon age 9 inverted comma age 9 colon age 200 comma closed, this one, then worksheet function counter, then same thing, I can copy it here, Control C, I have to put a bracket here, and this one, and then I write +1 because the next item I have to go, and then bracket closed, and equal to and we have to copy from G4, that's all. Yeah, so this G4 is this one, it will be copied here. This is the one, and I also want, after copying this item, this thing should become vacant, so this one also I can write here, and here I have to write clear contents, so it will be clear. And another thing you can write is that after entering item from here to this place, the cursor should again return back to this position. So this also is possible. So you can write here this thing, and here I can write select. And another thing we want is that we will also want a serial number here to be printed. So this also in the same function we can write. So we copy this thing again up to this much, copy it here, and serial number is to be printed, and printing is to be done in which column? F column. So accordingly here I have to write F. Here it is F, and here also it is F. and here once this is filled up by this thing, so I need not write +1 here, otherwise it will be printed in this position, because first line will only we would have already printed something here. So this +1 is not required. Or so either you can write it is not required like this, and here you can write this worksheet function, this one, this one, up to this much. Okay. So this is one way, or other way is that first we print the serial number here. So we take this line to the top, and then we can put a +1 here, no problem. So let us see how does it work. So we'll first of all we'll run from here. So let us first write something here. So we write something here, call it say bottle. Okay, small letter or capital letter doesn't matter. So BOTTLE. I read bottle. Now bottle is now here. It should come here with a serial number. Let's see it comes or not. If my program is correct, it will bring. So let us run it. No, there is some problem here. Oh, sorry. Here I have to write one set here. I forgot to write set. ACT. Okay, no problem now. So let us see now, break it. Okay, now we run it. So, okay, run this. Let us see the result here. So you see bottle has come here. So that means program is correct. So here initially I forgot to write this set, so now I have written. So it is correct, and serial number also correctly printed. Now if I want to run this program right from the worksheet only, so I have to do little more work. So this one we can safely, okay, we'll close it later. So what we do, we go to this insert this thing and take any shape. So we take a this box shape and put it here, make it little bit smaller in size, like this, and put it somewhere, say here. Okay, and then we right click it and then assign macro, and then select this paste last, then this is okay. So now my macro is ready. Now whatever I'll type here, and then I'll click here and it will be printed here. Now see the cursor is here. If I type something here and click it here, cursor will again go back to this. So let us write another word. Suppose I write pencil here and click it. So you see pencil has come here with number 10, and the cursor is still here. So in this way you can go on writing something here and go on clicking here. So say, let us say I write this thing, then click it here, then I write this thing, click it here. So in keep on writing something and go on clicking like this. So it will keep on increasing and the list will be getting increased. And if you suppose you want to make the list, if the list becomes too long, what you can do is that you can freeze the pane here, and then you can roll it also. So if your list becomes long, no problem. So in this way it will go on. So you need not click this again and again. Just click this. Whatever you write, it will be printed. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.